Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show your favorite TikTok videos to public. So as you know that a favorite on TikTok is private, so only you can see your save or favorite TikTok videos on your profile. So if you want to make it public so that everyone can see your favorite TikTok videos, this is what you are going to do. First, let's launch the TikTok app first. And then you can go to the your profile, and here click on this favorites button or save buttons, and you can see that this is a private. There's the cross icon at the front of the save icon. So if you want to make it public, you can click on collection first. So you need to first create a new collections from your favorite videos. Click on create collection. Here you can enter the name. Example, I'm going to just go with random, and then you can enable this option make public, so everyone can see. So collection made public will be shown on your profile and can be shared with friends, so when someone open your profile, they can see your favorite TikTok videos collection. So you can tap on next, and here you can just select the videos from your favorite or save list. For example, I'm going to add this ones right here, and then you can just tap on add videos. Okay, you can click on this share at the top, and here you can see that if you want to make it private, you can click on this, but now it's already public. If you want to add the video again to this collection, you can click on manage videos and tap on add videos. Okay, now we can just go back, and here the posts are still private, but the collections is public. So that's how you can show your favorite TikTok videos into to public. I hope this TikTok tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up and also leave a comment if you have any questions regarding to this video or other videos or any TikTok tips. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us and click on the thanks button below. Bye.